Hi guys, how are you all today morning? Good morning. Today, in this verse of Ashtavakra Gita, Ashtavakra tells King Janaka, you have to first inquire about what is duty. Second, who has to perform it? Third, why has it to be performed? Fourth, what is duality? What are the dual qualities? What are the combinations of dual qualities? What is your duty? How can it be performed? What is the time when it ceases to exist? How can your duty be completed? Etc. After inquiring about this and finding out an answer, please abide in your own consciousness, be blissful, self-conscious, spiritual, try to be self-realized, delivered, liberated, understand or recognize your true entity as the Self and the Brahman, and be blissful and detached to everything material. What are the duties? How are they to be performed in the material world? In the material world, there are three types or modes of material nature: goodness, passion, and ignorance. The duties of living entities are distributed according to the quality that a living entity brings forward to present for the world to see within him or her. Suppose there is a living entity. He has all the qualities, that is, goodness, passion, and ignorance. It depends on the individual's karma and destiny and other factors how this person exhibits or presents which quality for the society to see. Some show goodness, some show passion, some show passion plus ignorance, and some show ignorance. There are others who are beyond goodness or below ignorance, but we will not talk about them now. According to the three modes of material nature, this society has been distributed into four types. First is goodness. People who are in this mode are religious, God-fearing, truthful, educated, craving for education, and trying to attain spiritualization. These people are priests, scholars, teachers, and people who run their own schools to teach prospective students, etc. The second is passion. Passion means a person has courage, testosterone, then bravery, organizing capacity, adrenaline, enterprise, and the nature to dominate others. These are qualities that makes one a politician, a minister, a policeman, a soldier, an army person, or a warrior, etc. This quality has its own plus and minus. The third is a caste or a class where the individual has more of passion and less of ignorance. Depending upon the percentage of passion in a particular person, he or she does business as follows. They indulge in agriculture, dairy farming, cattle rearing, shopkeeping, business, distribution, etc. They are a trading and commerce class. The fourth class is the ignorance class. These are people who are meant to serve those in the passion plus ignorance mode, plus sometimes people from the passion mode. They are people who are strong, hard-working, able to take pain, very subservient, loyal, and people who earn money by serving the society in different forms. These are the four castes. According to Lord Krishna, it is the quality of a person that defines a particular person. And according to that, he or she belongs to a particular class. A person from one class should not try to do the job of another class, because even if he or she is very good in that job or occupation or profession or business, even then, one day or the other, his or her work in that another class is fraught with danger. This is the fact that every self-realized soul should inquire about. He or she should find out which class he or she belongs to, work in that particular position, and turn spiritual and turn towards God to seek self-realization while living in that particular class. That means that any person can be in any class, in any position in the society. Every living entity has the capacity to become self-realized and to seek liberation, deliverance, Brahman, and ultimately go to Godhead. It does not mean, it is not necessary that a person should be in a particular class to be qualified to reach the spiritual side. Yes, it is another matter that spiritualism and divinity is above goodness and demonic nature is below ignorance. That does not mean that only goodness people can reach spiritualism or ignorant people will be demonic. People from all classes can reach any category. Hence, we living entities in whatever class we are should remember this and turn our attention towards God, so that we don't do any harm to any society persons and seek only self-realization and go back to God. Every human being has the right to think about God and to seek self-realization. This is the meaning of Ashtavakra's speech on this particular verse. It is not over. We will also speak about this in my next verse. But before that, let me tell you that if you will sincerely believe that what I am talking is making any sense, kindly subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that I can keep informing you of my past and future videos. Till we meet in my next video, it is a good day from TSV Raghavan.